everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So how's everybody doing today? Yes, I am driving and I am on my way to find some birthday decorations because, oops, let me fix my camera. Okay, so yes, I am on my way to buying some birthday decorations. I'm going to celebrate today. Have a little get together, so I'm quite excited about that. And yeah, I mean, why not? Why not celebrate? I mean, so many people, they're like, oh no, after a certain age, I don't want to celebrate anymore. Why not? One can be happy that one wakes up in the morning. You know what I'm saying? So I say, if you have the possibility, celebrate every year because it's a gift. And yeah, why not? So yes, I'm going to go out and buy some decorations and some food, and it's going to be a small little get together, so I'm looking forward to that. And am I going to be sticking to my diet rules? One knows how that is on a birthday. Oh man, I don't know if I'm going to be sticking to my I don't know, man. If I see some yummy cake, or if I have some yummy cake, I am definitely going to have a piece. I'm going to eat me some chips. Any and everything I desire. I'm going to drink a little bit of wine and enjoy. So probably not. Diet is off this weekend, or let's say today. Tomorrow I'm going to go back to my diet. There's a really cool festival going on, so I don't know, perhaps I'll try to go there. Sometimes they also have some really yummy things there to eat, so yes. But I will, however, watch out for the calories and for the calories intake, and I don't think I'm going to be doing any fitness this weekend. Maybe the beginning of next weekend already. I can't believe that June is almost, like, yeah, we're in the middle of the June already. I mean, summer is definitely here. Yes, I'm excited, and I've got blue on today. Blue, yes, I like the color blue. So, yeah, I'm gonna go out, and I'm gonna definitely try to attempt to do some grilling. I'm so scared about that. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, but yeah, I would like to learn how to grill. I mean, shoot, I mean, it can't be that difficult. So I'm not gonna use no lighter fluid or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna buy a little grill and yeah, try to do some grilling tonight. So yes, guys, hang around, watch me do my little shopping tour. I'm going to I have a balcony where the birds are always coming and pooping. Oh, that is so annoying. I mean, I love animals, but I don't know, pigeons, they really get on my nerves. What is their purpose? I mean, I know that sounds awful. Every living animal has a purpose, but I just don't see the purpose of pigeons, only to annoy people and poop everywhere. And they just basically pooped out one of my balconies, so I'm totally unhappy about this. I really want to clean that up and I don't know, perhaps find a solution for, you know, limiting the pigeon poop. Anywho, guys, yes, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for joining me again. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for, if you subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because yes, I'm always sharing really cool information about new YouTubers I've discovered and movies and everything. And yeah, I like to talk, yap, and show if possible. I'm traveling, so Anywho, guys, let me get off. I've got to go into the stool, and yeah, join me. So, anywho, I will see you in a bit, and don't go nowhere.